Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to overlay images in your Google Slides presentation. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go right here into the official Google Slides website and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you will be able to go ahead and create your presentation. As you can see here, right here guys, I have already created my presentation. As you can see here, I have a couple of slides. My first slide, my second slide with some text, my first slide with a table and so on. So guys, you can see here my first slide, I have two images. As you can see, when I put one image over the other, it goes behind it. So guys, what I'm going to be showing you today is how you can go ahead and overlay these images any way that you want in any order that you want. So let's say that you want this circle to be above this triangle right here, then I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So guys, it only takes a couple of steps and it's very easy. And the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and select either image that you want. So let's say I'm going to select this circle right here. After selecting one of the images guys, you want to go ahead and right click the selected image. After right clicking the selected image guys, now this will open up this new menu where you will have multiple options for editing the image such as copying it, deleting it and so on. What we want to do guys is go ahead and find this option right here called order, and putting our mouse on order guys, this will open up this new drop down menu where you will have multiple options such as bringing it to the front, bringing it forward, backward and so on. So guys, what you can do is go ahead and you can click on bring to front if you want it to be above the other image. If you want it to be backward of the other image, then you can go ahead and click backward. But we're going to go select either bring to front or bring to forward, doesn't matter. I'm going to click bring to forward. Now guys, you can see when we put this image over this one, as you can see, we have now successfully overlaid it, and now it is above this image. And if you want to do the same for this another image, let's say we want now the triangle to be above this one, we can go ahead and click the same, bring forward, and now guys, you can see it has been above the circle. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.